Welcome to Shadwell, full of ginnels and things. Sometimes they're dark, like this one. Other times they are small. And what's this? A rustle in the bushes? Yes, it's one of its own species. It's the C.Moore. Yes, here it is. It's got big ears, and it's got funny hair, which is undescribable to the natural human person, animal. Anyway, we move up closer towards this person, through the hedges, and we discover more of what this thing happens to hide from us. There's strange, real strange machinery noises coming from his arse, but it still carries on. And he walks slowly, and there he dies. He's dying into the bushes, and there he lies. He lies from underneath the skies. Thank you. This is Tom Elgie reporting on Shadwell's natural wildlife. Thank you for listening.